The life of the party. Introducing the Corgi. Corgis are the life of the party. With their short legs and fluffy butts, they bring smiles wherever they go. Don't let their size fool you. Corgis are bundles of energy, always ready for a game. They're playful and silly, making every day an adventure. Get ready to laugh. Corgis are sure to steal your heart. Corgis have a special way of making even the simplest things fun. Whether it's a walk in the park or a game of fetch in the backyard, they approach everything with enthusiasm. Their happy-go-lucky nature is contagious. You can't help but smile when you see a Corgi bouncing around. They remind us to never take life too seriously and to always find time for play.
Zoomies in the park, a burst of Corgi energy. Let's go to the park. It's a Corgi's favorite place to be. Watch them zoom across the grass, their little legs moving a mile a minute. The park is their playground, full of exciting smells and new friends to meet. Corgis love to chase squirrels, but they're not very good at catching them. That's okay, because the chase is half the fun. They'll roll around in the grass, soaking up the sunshine. A tired Corgi is a happy Corgi. After a day at the park, they'll be ready for a cozy nap. But don't worry, they'll be ready for more adventures tomorrow.
Indoor antics Corgi fun doesn't stop at the door. Even when they're stuck inside, Corgis find ways to entertain themselves. They love to play hide and seek, using their short legs to their advantage. Don't be surprised if you find them hiding behind curtains or under furniture. Corgis are also experts at playing with toys. They love to squeak, toss, and chase their toys around the house. But their favorite indoor activity, cuddles on the couch, of course. After a long day of play, they love to snuggle up with their favorite humans. There's nothing better than a Corgi cuddle to make you feel loved. Section 4, Playful Quirks, Corgi behaviors that make us smile. Corgis have the funniest little quirks that make them so unique. One of their most adorable traits is their sploot. You know, when they lay their bellies flat on the ground with their back legs stretched out. It's the cutest thing ever. Corgis are also known for their herding instincts. They might try to herd their humans or even other pets by gently nipping at their heels. Don't worry, it's all in good fun, and let's not forget about their fluffy butts. Those wagging tails are like built-in mood boosters. Just seeing a Corgi's butt wiggle with joy is enough to brighten anyone's day. Section 5, Corgi love, the joy of a wagging tail. There's something truly special about the love of a Corgi. They're loyal companions who will stick by your side through thick and thin. Corgis are always happy to see you, greeting you with excited barks and wagging tails that seem to wag their whole bodies. They have a knack for knowing when you need a cuddle or a good laugh. Their playful antics can turn even the most stressful day into a joyful one. Corgis bring so much happiness into our lives, reminding us to embrace the simple things and to never lose our sense of play. They're furry bundles of love and laughter, making every day an adventure. Section 6. A Corgi in every home. Spreading the happiness. Imagine a world with a Corgi in every home. It would be a world filled with more laughter, more joy, and definitely more zoomies. Corgis have a way of bringing people together. They're always up for making new friends, both human and furry. Their infectious energy and playful spirit are simply irresistible. So if you're looking for a loyal, loving, and endlessly entertaining companion, look no further than a Corgi. They're guaranteed to fill your life with happiness, one wagging tail at a time. Adopt, don't shop. Give a Corgi a loving home and they'll reward you with a lifetime of love and laughter.